Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to enable single-character keyboard shortcuts on the Facebook app on your PC using the latest update. This feature makes navigating Facebook faster and much more efficient, especially if you prefer using your keyboard instead of clicking around. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your personal settings. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy, and then go into Settings if it doesn't open automatically. Now you'll be inside the main settings area where Facebook keeps all customization options. Next, scroll down until you find Display and Accessibility. Click on it to open more options related to how Facebook looks and behaves on your device. Inside this section, look for the keyboard option and click on it. This is where you can manage keyboard shortcuts and how they function within the app. Now you'll see an option labeled Single Character Shortcuts. To enable this feature, simply select On. Once you do that, the setting is activated immediately. No need to save anything manually. And that's it. You've successfully enabled single character keyboard shortcuts on Facebook. You can now use quick key presses to navigate different parts of the platform more efficiently, saving you time and making your browsing experience smoother. If you found this helpful, consider exploring other accessibility settings to further customize your Facebook experience.